Hey everyone, welcome to today's video and tutorial, and I'm your boy Leke, Cosby Finance, and I'm so excited to share this particular upgrade of our Endpoint Ichimocku strategy with you. And if you're watching this for the first time, I'll implore you that you subscribe to our channel first of all. Then also click the bell button so that you can get notifications whenever we upload awesome videos like this. And if you've not watched the Ichimocku endpoint strategy before, I advise that you go ahead and watch it. You know, it's something that it's a no-brainer. Trust me, it's a no-brainer. And I'm going to be sharing an advanced way of trading right here with you, where you're going to be using an indicator that I'm going to be giving to you for free. So all you need to do is just to follow suit and follow through and be calm, because when trading all you need is to be calm. So if you're not calm, trust me, you're not going to make that money, you won't make that bucks. So just stay calm and follow the rules. You know, like they usually say, trading only reveals yourself to you, your true self, and trading can also help you to improve yourself. Yes, in the sense that it helps you to know if you're the temperamental kind of person, or you're the patient kind of person, or you're the persevering type of person. Yes, and it also explains your level or exposes your level of discipline. So it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. Now, like I said, I'm giving you a free indicator. I'm giving you a free indicator that you're going to be using to trade this setup. Now, I won't be going extensively to how you can set this up, because I've explained all that in the Ichimocku, the Endpoint Ichimocku strategy. So what you're going to be getting right here is just how to apply all this. Now this indicator is basically the name. Let me show you the name. The name here is support and resistance. Yeah, it's a support and resistance indicator. Now do not forget that the main essence of this strategy is to know the endpoint, that is the point of reversal. Yeah, it helps you to know when the market has stopped moving in a particular direction, and tells you that, oh, the market's about to turn to the other side. So that's the essence of this particular strategy. So, and you know, it's going to be wise for you to trade this particular strategy getting lots of confirmations using your areas of values. Yes, AOV. Now, areas of values are areas whereby the market tend to turn. Yes, this is a point in the market where the market tends to turn in the other direction. Yeah. So, and like the regular layman knowledge, you know, I would call it support and resistance. But as I usually explain to you guys, support and resistance is not a point. Yeah, it's not a point in the market. It's not really a particular price in the market. It's basically a zone. It's like a region. And the market, you know, is usually within a range whereby you have stacked up buyers or sellers. Yes, for a resistance, yeah, you have stacked up sellers up here. Then for the buyers, you have stacked up, but for support right here, you have stacked up buyers waiting to buy them into the market. So it's the price right here that pushed this upwards. That's why you can see the movement moving upwards. And I'm right into this market. Yeah, though I entered a bit quite late, but it's still all the same. Like I usually say, it's still in accordance with our strategy. Now, the basics of our strategy is plotting your Ichimocku with 200 your Ichimoku Chinko span, which is the only one you want, which is a lagging indicator by 26 candles, and you have your 5 exponential moving average against your 200 exponential moving average, which is this white. Yeah, so now as the strategy speaks, what we want to see is the endpoint Ichimoku strategy. What helps us to know when the movement has ended towards a particular direction, either up or downwards, is the Ichimoku, which is this orange line. You can see that when the Ichimoku right here touched, see the Ichimoku line here touched the overbought, which is our 85 mark. You can see it touched right here, and the corresponding level is right here. Yeah, and you can see that it touched a support. It touched, sorry, resistance. Now this resistance right here is an indicator that I'm going to be giving to you for free. It plots the support and resistance level for you, so you can actually know the support and resistance areas of values, which is the zones that I mentioned. So it plots all that for you in a jiffy without stress. So all you need to do is just locate where the tally, right? You just look at where price touches both a proven, you can see proven here, you can see untested. This is a resistance, but it's untested, but you can see that this is a proven one. So you're only going to be considering the proven support and the proven resistance. Now in this scenario, you can see the market went overbought, pushed up. You can see the Ichimoku right here. You can see it crossed up, and then you can see it touched this red zone. You can see this red resistance zone here. Then you can see the market there pushing downwards. Yes, market pushed down, but I actually didn't take this trade. Why? Because as the custom is, I needed to get another confirmation of my 200 EMA, which is this white, should also go overbought, and my pink, which is my 5 EMA, should also go overbought. So I want to see the crossing of the 5 EMA against the 200 EMA at the overbought region after the Ichimoku had also gone overbought, and also when it has touched a resistance right here. Okay, let me take that again if it's too much for you to chew. All right, let me use an example. Let me go back to the time. Let me go back. Okay, all right. Okay, look at this scenario right here. Look at this. You can see the market pushed up and touched this red resistance right here. Now you can see my Ichimoku pushed up and was overbought also. Then my blue went overbought also. Sorry, my 5 EMA went overbought also, which is this pink. Then my white, being 200 EMA, went overbought also. Condition 1 accomplished. You understand? All these went overbought, and the price also touched an important resistance right here, which is this indicator that drew the resistance for me. Now what I'm waiting for is my 5 EMA to cross the white EMA, sorry, which is 200 EMA. I'm waiting for it to cross downwards. At the cross of it, which is right here, is where I will place my entry, which is right here. Then you ride the waves downwards and make your profit. So it's very simple and straightforward. All you need to do is just to exercise some patience with the trade. Now let's look for the reverse trend. As in this scenario, our Ichimoku oversold, 5 EMA oversold, 200 oversold. Then we got a cross right here. You can see we touched a support, an important support right here. Support that has been tested. You can see the price touched it right here. So 1, 2, 3 oversold rather. This touched first condition. Then once those conditions are met, then you wait for your cross, which happened right here. So this is where you place your trade, then you ride the waves right up here. So it's simple strategy that never fails. It never fails. All you need to do is just, like I said, patience. Patience is the key. You need to be patient. Just be patient and follow through with the strategy. You're going to be profitable all along, all through. I promise you that you're going to be profitable. All you need to do is just to stay connected and do not be anxious. Remove every fear of failure. Now, what I used to do is I usually have at the back of my mind that, oh, I have a family to feed. I need to do this right. I need to make them happy. You know, place things right in front of you that are going to actually help your psychology to do the right thing, to take the right steps, to be patient enough for you to be profitable. So all you need to do is just to be patient and do not rush. Let the markets come to you. Do not push the markets, because the markets cannot be pushed. Yeah, the markets cannot be pushed. So basically, now, as I promised, I was going to give you a free software, which is this support and resistance software. So if you want to get the software, all you need to do is just to check the description below, and you're going to see the link to where you could download the indicator. You just check the description, you see the link to where you can download the indicator. It's very necessary that you actually try this out for yourself and back test it. And let me just give you another quick hint. Now, a lot of persons usually like to trade on the smaller time frames. Yes, smaller time frames are good, because if you have a busy schedule, whenever you have time, you can just come to the chart and you see possible trades that will come up, and you just take and you're out. You know, it's for scalping basically. But on the long run, I realized that swing trading gives you more profitability. So that is why I like to stick around to the 1 hour or the 4 hour time frame. Yes, the 1 hour or the 4 hour time frame is very necessary that you consider the higher time frame. I'm not saying you cannot trade on the lower time frame. Yes, you can, but you do need a lot of precision, because things are moving fast and there are a lot of noise in the market. So it's always necessary that even though you scalp, you also take some considerations to know the trend of the market on the long run, which is checking higher time frames like the daily time frame and the 4 hour time frame. So with that being said, do not forget to click the like button, and also let me know in the comment section how your test running went. And also don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so that you get notifications whenever we create videos like this. And do not forget to join the community. I will be expecting to see you in our Facebook community and the Telegram community. And do not forget to let me know if you have any questions. You can chat me up directly on Telegram, or you could put the question right here in the comment section below. So I remain your boy, Kai Neleki, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.